She got 380 something. That was on the March. Wow. Wow. You can see the military bonus was 380 something. You see, she has not recruited anyone. She has not recruited, but you can see the earning. I'm just seeing this earning now. She has not recruited. Imagine now, she has only paid for February and the March, but look at what she has earned. Because she joined the business on time and also keep on paying this $10. If you don't understand this business, you'll be frustrated. So what I will encourage you is that keep on paying your $10. Whether you are earning or you are not earning. If you want to earn, you build a business. But if you're not ready to recruit, keep on paying your $10. Don't make any mistake and fail to pay your $10 because you don't know when you will start receiving spillover. And most people that have already joined, maybe around March, April, there, whatever, the business is still coming up. Leave would have not even started. So guys, look at this. This can cover. In fact, once she withdraw this money, I will tell her to pay for 1 year. Imagine 380 something. You have not recruited anyone. Look here. Look here. You can see weekly nothing. She only earned monthly. Imagine she has not recruited anyone. Look. Weekly nothing because she's not recruiting. But because she joined on time and being faithful.